In this video, we're going to look at the employee transaction policy table, and we're going to look at it from the perspective of open enrollment. First, you want to make your way to the table by clicking on the validation tables link, and then clicking over here under payroll tables on the employee transaction policy. And next, we're going to go ahead and create a new record, and then we're going to add our 10-character alphanumeric code with no punctuation. And next, we'll add our description. Now let's go ahead and jump down here real quick because this is required and important. Let's choose our transaction. In this video, we're focusing on benefit enrollment, so we would choose option 8, benefit open enrollment. This is telling the system that the triggering event that will generate the transaction approval, which is open enrollment. Optionally, we can limit or filter the policy by company, location, department, pay group, and or employment type. Okay, so let's look at the routing types and the approvers. These work in reverse order. If you set up an employee transaction approval policy with 6 routings, the person or people in number 6 will go first, then 5, then 4, and so on. At least one routing type is required. So if you just have one, you put it in number 1, it's just going to go to that person right away. So here, let's select the first routing type in level 1, and then we'll select the approver, and then enter the task routing 1 description, such as Supervisor Approval or Department Approval. Again, level 2 through 6 are optional and have a routing type, approver description, and notify only checkbox. The notify only checkbox is pretty simple. By checking this, we're basically making this an FYI message for the person or people this is routed to. And finally, rejections. If a transaction approval is rejected, it will send that message of rejection to the default routing supervisor selected here. The data in this list populates from the Supervisor Codes Table.